Hello, this is a guide on how to download and install Android Studio. If we Google Android Studio and go to the link, we can download here or we can scroll down both if you want to choose a specific version for your platform. The other way is to use JetBrains Toolbox. And why you might want that is because you won't need to update it by installing a new version all the time. It will manage it for you, and you will have easier access to all of their other IDEs tools. And here you can select, if you have the new Mac OS Apple Silicon. So you download it and install it. You don't need to get other components or concern yourself with the complexities by going the direct Android Studio route. Once you've installed Android Studio, it won't look like this for you. Below install you will have that available, which might be like this, and you press here and Android Studio will be one of the top ones here, and you could install it. Once you installed it, you can open it up. Might have to configure. You might get first, if you want to import your config that, you don't need to because it's your first time. And here you could go with the standard, which is recommended for most users. Choose a theme. You can change this later and you can download other much cooler themes, but for me I'll take Darkola as a standard. And you see it will also install these versions required. It's about 2 gigs. And the licenses, it's a lot of agrees. 2 hours later, no, not really. You can press finish, and we're in Android Studio. And we can see here new projects. We could generally go with basic activity when you're starting out. You see you have Kotlin, everything's ready. API 24. I'll call it my application finish. It needs even more installs. And we're done, I hope. And we need to give it access. Cool. What's new? We'll have to index this when you first open it up, and we're in. And here we are, inside Kotlin. Inside Android Studio, I mean. And this is a terrible style. Let's see. We can go into settings. Only have this, I think, editor. Here, now this color scheme code style. Here you can change the font. It's always nice. It's bigger. And for appearances, we can go into plugin here. I personally like the Rider UI theme pack. There are many nice themes. Apply, go to auto activate it for me. What's the color? Where do I put it? Well, if it doesn't show up there, another way to do this is to close project, and when you're here you can customize. You can see all the themes that you have installed. The top ones that were here by default and the new ones I installed. And I like this Rider Melon Dark. can go back to my project. Once it's indexed, we have the new style. And you're now ready to use Android Studio. And after it builds, the colors will look better. The long index. There we go. Now we have some beautiful colors. And that's it.